awesome.
What the heck?
Hi guys.
Who are you?
My name is Pinjin. Or you can call me host.
Why?
Oh, it sounds like they're here.
Who and what? Oh no, not again. Who are these guys?
Those are my contestants. I'm hosting a game show. Wanna join? The prize is ownership of All You Can Fish Island and the master key of it.
Sure. Okay. But are 2 people allowed to win? Huh. Where are we? And how did we get here?
Is everyone okay? Stranger danger.
Hi, I'm Dushimushi. We're competing too.
So all of you 16 contestants will be battling for the All You Can Fish Resort.
So how do we compete?
To compete, you guys will have to do dozens of challenges and you guys will have to make teams. Once completing a challenge, the losing team will be up for elimination and the viewers will have to vote on who to be kicked off the island we are on. And once the teams are small enough, we will swap. And once we get to the final 8, there will no more teams. Got that?
Good enough.
So let's get on with the first challenge. So the first challenge is to fight this dog.
Oh my god! Oh no, that's scary.
Yeah, how are we going to fight a dog? Look at its menacing face. Doug.
That's for you to find out anyway. I'll be observing you guys from the sidelines and rate everyone's performance from 1 to 10. So line up in height order to begin the challenge.
The power of smartness compels you.
That's what you get.
I'll be right back. Don't worry, this will only hurt a lot.
Hello. My name is MP. Wanna be friends? Yay.
I am an indestructible wall, you fool.
Ha ha ha.
So easy.
Bye-bye, puppy. I need magic.
Oh, this.
Wand.
So I got the scores. The 4 contestants with the highest score will get to be team captains.
What? When was it like that?
So let's begin. The first team captain is Tushy Mushy.
Well, me as team captain.
Then Wing Wing
Yay.
and Pejiguin.
Oh yeah, that's me.
How did he become captain? He didn't even try.
Calm down. Jin, just let it go.
Finally, Twinkle.
Yes, I know my strategy would work.
So these are our team captains. And they'll be the ones to choose the teams. There will be only 4 contestants in each team. That means 4 teams of 4. So let's start with Pejiguin.
Oh, me? Okay, Dubby.
Yay. Thanks for having me on the team.
Okay, I guess it's my turn. Peanut. Yay.
Okay, a Snowy. Hello. Snow.
Sorry. Of course I am going for my best friend, Mushi Tushi. Yay!
Okay, me again. Gentucci.
No. I hate you.
Of course I have to go with the large penguins. Bukin.
Hi, bro.
Let's go with penguin.
Yes.
Which one should I go with? Mushi Tushi? I don't know, maybe MP? MP, come to our team.
Danute.
A few moments later.
These are the teams, and now folks. Choose one of these three to become the next challenge. The one with the highest vote will get to be it.